in a safe direction. Ensure safety is on fire before moving the bolt operating rod assembly. Bravo. Pull and hold with palm up, cocking handle with right hand to rear, ensuring bolt locks completely to rear. Charlie. While holding the cocking handle to the rear with no tension on the bolt, place the safety to safe. Delta. Release the cocking handle assembly to the fully forward and locked position. Echo. Push in feed cover latches. Look in a safe direction. Raise feed cover and conduct a 4-point safety check for brass links ammunition. Check feed pawl assembly under cover. Check feed tray. Lift feed tray and inspect chamber. Check between face of bolt and chamber as well as under bolt operating rod assembly. Fox. Lower the feed tray and close the feed cover, making sure it locks shut. Golf. Pull and hold with palm up the cocking handle assembly with right hand to the rear. Hotel. While holding the cocking handle to the rear with no tension on the bolt, place the safety to fire. India. While fully depressing the trigger, ease the bolt forward and to close and lock. Release trigger. Juliet. Attempt to place the safety to safe. Safety must not be able to be moved to safe. So, pretty easy. On that one, I'll highlight that very last one, Juliet. More people than not go through everything perfect, but that very last step they take for granted and they do not make that deliberate attempt to place the weapon on safe and they get a no-go. So keep that in mind. That's the biggest thing so far that gets people. Nobody ever really has any trouble with anything up to that point. Performance measure 2. Disassemble the weapon into the following groups, ensuring all parts are on the correct nomenclature labels. Alpha, buttstock and buffer assembly. Bravo, bolt and operating rod assembly. Charlie, driving spring rod assembly. Delta, trigger housing assembly. Echo, barrel assembly removing heat shield. Fox, cover assembly. Golf, feed tray. Hotel, receiver assembly. Time will stop when the candidate returns to the standing position with all parts of the weapon on the flat surface. All right, assemble and perform.